The next and main phase to write a research paper is data management. The following steps draw on a simple performance and effective strategy for collecting, managing, and analyzing data in a research paper. Taking notes? Record a sheet. Everything you gain in your research or each idea that springs to your mind are recorded in a form called a sheet. Be sure you only have one note or one main idea per sheet. Write or copy one quote, one summary, or one paraphrase per section. Then, fill out note-taking type, reference type, source, and credibility of source. After recording the quotations, according to the title, you should write down your thoughts and analysis. What do you think about the quotations you recorded? What is your main idea? This text will be added to your research output as the final text. Locate the text in the output. The position of text should be determined exactly or approximately. So, now you can determine where to put the current sheet in your research easily and simply. In the last part, you can upload any files you like to attach to your sheet as scientific documentation. It's time to share your sheet with your friends and members of a research team to evaluate your idea recorded in the sheet. Sharing data makes it possible for your teammates to evaluate and validate your idea and helps you to reach perfect results. On the left side, the author's profile and a brief evaluation are displayed, and there are sheet details on the right. Your friends can comment and rate what you posted. Then other members can see the comments and confirm or refuse them. This algorithm surveys the research data and adds approved ideas to output automatically. This system also completes and improves your dissertation, article, or book gradually by involvement in a very fast, very carefully, effortlessly, and easy way. Sheets Review. On this page, you can list your desired sheets by a simple search. Click and see the content of the sheet. Users' comments will be visible by moving the mouse. Research structure. This page has divided into 3 parts. Section 1, Skeleton. In the first section, you should choose a structure type. The default research skeleton appears by your selection. The structure is editable. Section 2, Title of the research. Section 3, Materials. Search keyword, title, or text of sheets to find desired materials. Then put the selected sheets in the proper place of your output. The titles and texts in connected, interconnected/interlinked areas are editable. You will be able to manage your research data in easy. Evaluation. Researchers and managers of research groups required to recognize and compare the performance gap of their research projects. The information on the evaluation of groups and members' effectiveness is available here. The evaluation factors are a number of written sheets, a number of approved sheets, a number of recorded comments, average of sheet score, average of effectiveness score, a number of views, average of credibility score. It helps you to manage your project with your eyes open.